Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the cancer. What is the cancer? All cancer derive from the single cell that have been acquired to the characteristic of the continuously dividing in the unrestrained manner and bending surrounding tissue. Cancerous cells behave invading uh, cancer cells behave in this abnormal manners in the DNA sequence key genes which are known as a cancer gene. Therefore, all cancers are genetic disease. Cancer is the one of the three people in the Western world develop cancer. One in the five die from this disease. There are approximately 200 types of cancer. Each will be different cause, symptom, and the treatment. In individual, of the risk of developing cancer depends on the many factors including age, lifestyle, and the genetic makeups. What is the mutation? The germline mutation is a change in the DNA sequences that can be inherited from the either parent, or the second one is the somatic mutations, a change in the DNA sequence in the cell that either from the sperm or egg. The mutation is the present in the cancerous cell. It is the offspring but not in the patient healthy cells. Mutation and the cancerous genes are the cancers genes are the causally implicated in the oncogenes. Mutation in the cancerous genes can occur somatically or can be inherited. Mutation in some cancerous gene can be inherited from the parent, in which cases they are present in the every cell from the body. Such people are a highly risk of the developing cancer. Somatic mutations can be occur in any of the cells of the body except the germ lines, and that they are not passed on to the children. Importance of the somatic DNA changes in the human cancer. Uh, 5 to 10% of cancer cases have the clearly hereditary components. Even in the those cases where the subsequently is a clearly inherited and the somatic changes are required for the cancer to develop. Cancerous genes are the tumor suppressor genes and the oncogenes. To date, we know that the approximately 400 somatic cancer genes, but there are also certainly more to be found. Tumor suppressor gene, they are a gene normally function of the prevent cell growth and the cell division. Oncogenes required to the gene which normally function to promote cell growth, division, and control manners. Example from the mutation in the sequence 1 in a sequence 2. Here it is showing in the sequence 1 and the sequence 2 type is the substitution, and some kind of here is showing some kind of mutation. For example, in the sequence the second is the it belongs to the deletion, and the third one is the insertion, and the fourth point is the inversion and the duplications. Cancer progression mutation in the multiple cancer gene are required for the development and the progression of a single cancer, which is benign tumor, in situ cancer, invasive cancer, and the metastatic cancer. External causes of cancer from the ultraviolet radiations. External cancer causes of the cancer from the tobacco, smoke, and the lifestyle factor also belongs to the diet. Biological factor is also responsible like viruses, HPV with the causes of cervical cancer, and protein from the viruses activated and deactivated cancerous genes. The role of the HPV is the cervical cancer have led to the development of the vaccines. Activity of the Cas gene coded with the signaling of the molecules. Mutation in the Cas are present in the many cancers, including pancreatic cancers. So you may have to look the mutation by the comparing healthy DNA sequence with the tumor DNA sequences. So this is all about the cancer. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.